Welcome to our DIY tutorial on how to make a socket extension in just 5 minutes. With this simple and easy to follow guide, you'll be able to make your own socket extension in no time and use it for a variety of purposes, including powering your coffee machine. Gather materials. To make a socket extension, you will need a combined socket, 2.5 millimeters cable for high load, wire stripper, a screwdriver. Step 1. Open the combined socket. Step 2. Make a jumper wire and connect it between the socket and the switch. Step 3. Make a knot out of the cable for durability of the extension socket. Step 4. Strip the wires. Using the wire stripper, carefully strip the plastic covering off the ends of the wires on the power cable. Step 5. Connect the wires into the socket as I have shown. Connect one of the wire directly to the socket and another to the switch. Step 6. Close the combined socket. Step 7. Plug it in. Plug the power strip into an outlet and the coffee machine into the extension cord. You're done, and there you have it. You've just made your own socket extension in just 5 minutes. This simple DIY project is a great way to save money and power multiple devices at once. Now, you can enjoy your coffee machine without having to worry about running out of outlets. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more DIY tutorials.